Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to try and explore why the crypto market has been down. So all of you would know that over the past couple of weeks, a little more than that, the crypto market has been really going up and down, and more down than up. And Bitcoin has actually lost a lot of ground. It was at an all-time high of about, I think, $63,000. So now it's in the 30s, in the range of $30,000. So, and Ethereum also has been facing pretty much the same fate, and most of the coins are down. And so I wanted to explore the reasons why that is happening, and to really inform you that this is kind of a course correction. I did cover this in one of my previous videos, but here I'm going to talk more specific to Bitcoin, because in my opinion, Bitcoin is the key ingredient um, in keeping the crypto market together, and in taking the crypto market up or down. So whichever direction it goes, Bitcoin is the main crypto with the largest market cap in the crypto market. So let's talk about it. Before we do that, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos, and also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my work, and from my videos. So let's dive in. So first, let's look at the reasons why Bitcoin is dropping. So you would know that it plunged about 10% on June 22nd after the Chinese government implemented sanctions on trading and mining of cryptocurrency. I did cover this part in one of my videos on whether the Chinese government is really cracking down on cryptos. So I would put that video in the end of towards the end of my this particular video, in the end screen. Please go and look at that video as well. Now, is that the only story? Probably not. There are many other things that have been happening around in the crypto world. A lot of people are talking, and hence that's creating this kind of drop in the Bitcoin price. First, the price of Bitcoin plummeted in May after Elon Musk said that Tesla would no longer be accepting cryptocurrency payments over concerns about the environment. So that has happened. Now, Elon Musk has also gone to the extent of saying that he may accept Dogecoin, and then he retracted on that. But there's always been kind of a cold war going on between Elon Musk and Bitcoin, and that has contributed to the drop of Bitcoin. And Elon Musk has also spoken against Ethereum, by the way. Some banks have blocked payments to crypto exchanges. For example, a startling bank has banned payments until June 23rd so that was last month, over concerns about criminal activity. People can still use their Sterling debit cards to make payments now. And the other bank, which I've not mentioned here, has been in the UK. So Barclays has also cracked down on trading of cryptos through Binance. So actually, Binance has also been facing a lot of heat. And I did cover that in one of my previous videos also, on why Binance has been facing the heat due to regulations, and some countries have gone on to say that they've been operating illegally. So please take a look at that video. I'll put that on the card above here. Donald Trump described Bitcoin as a scam competing against the dollar to be the currency of the world. That was on June 7th of 2021. So now this is more of a US-centric, slur, just like the Chinese government slur, which they because they want to project the crypto yuan. So this is one of the comments that Donald Trump made. And the FBI agents have seized millions of dollars in Bitcoin from criminals, prompting its price to slide by 8%. So these were the primary reasons why Bitcoin has been dropping. There is no fundamental problem with Bitcoin or the technology, but these are the main problems that have been actually bringing down Bitcoin. Now let's explore what could be the other challenges that the crypto market are facing, which are aside from Bitcoin. So one of them is the demand for cryptocurrency is often created by comments made by influential personalities. So in the previous slide, you've seen how comments made by personalities on Bitcoin have brought the fall of price of Bitcoin. Similarly, some comments have even contributed to the growth or the increase of price of some cryptos like Dogecoin. Elon Musk's comment took the Dogecoin up, and with that, the Shiba Inu price also went up. And of course, one of the other comments which he made recently also brought the price down. So now the upward movement and the downward movement of the crypto price have been largely or in many ways affected by the comments made by prominent personalities. The second point is a fear of regulation, including country-specific regulation. I did a video on that as well. I put a card on that video. I put a link to the video on the card above. General lack of understanding of the crypto business models and the market. Now, this is very critical. If you look at the model that Ethereum has, it's trying to solve a problem that the market or the industry faces. If you look at Bitcoin also tries to solve a problem. If you look at, I keep talking about Ren, I keep talking about Square, and they are all trying to solve a problem. But not all cryptos are trying to solve a problem. A lot of them are. Now, it is very important for investors to understand the business models of the cryptos that you're looking to invest in. If you are looking at a fly-by-night crypto, obviously the chances are high that you would lose money. But if you're looking at a crypto whose business model is sound, fundamentals are sound, the technology in which it rests is sound, and the leadership is great, you would not lose money. There is no way you could lose money. So I did a video a few weeks ago on 5 aspects that you should look at before you invest in a crypto. Please go and take a look at it. I will put the link to the video in the card above right now. Rampant scams, and investors have lost money because of scams. So I've done quite a few videos on scams. There was a scam in South Africa. There have been scams pertaining to Binance. There have been a lot of them, a lot of scams. So all these have actually contributed to the negative brand communication or the negative word of mouth for cryptos and for the crypto market in general. So that is also a big reason why the crypto market is now going down. Loose talk on social channels add to the confusion and questions the legitimacy of the cryptocurrencies. You will find a lot of talk. Reddit, a lot of talk happens on Reddit. Twitter, many cryptos go onto Twitter and try and solicit new customers to invest in their cryptos. Do not fall for all those gimmicks. You, like I said, you have to go and take a look at the crypto. What are their fundamentals, their business models, the leadership, the technology on which it works, and all of that before you actually invest in crypto. So keep in mind that these are very, very critical. And the last point is questions are still raised on conversion of crypto profits to fiat currencies. Well, that has been, to a large extent, been solved today with many applications which are coming in, where you can actually transfer your profits out into your desired crypto, or at least into the prominent, into fiat currencies, at least into the prominent fiat currencies. So it will soon be not a big problem at all. So hopefully this particular, this particular obstacle will be removed. So those were the points that I wanted to talk about on the reasons why the crypto market is down. To me, the leading factor is that the Bitcoin prices have been going down. Although it has recovered from time to time, but it's been going up and down. And these are the other reasons because of which the crypto market is in kind of a in some rough waters. So that's it, guys. I hope this particular video and information are useful to you for all investors. And please keep your eyes and minds and ears open. Read about the crypto before you actually put in your money into any of the cryptocurrencies. Well, as you know, I have a free ebook for you. It's on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job back in 2010 and how I built my company. I have two companies now, one in Singapore, one in India, and two representations in the US for the North American market. I've also put in 3 worksheets on how to gauge your chances of becoming an entrepreneur. You could score yourself. The cool thing is I scored myself, and you would get to see how much I scored. You will get this ebook for free on my website. The link is flashing. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. You will have to go and put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the book. Thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee, I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description box below. I regularly work with companies to help solve their business, marketing, financial, and technological challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant, please write to me on my contact page of my website, whose URL will be in the description box below, or you could write to me on LinkedIn, message me on LinkedIn after you have connected with me, and I shall get into a conference call to see how we can work together. So that's it, guys. Please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash the notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So until my next video, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.